Hello, how to make a video mock-up for your mug designs. If you design for print on demand and you put your design on mug, you can use your print on demand company's mock-up. But if you want to make something that is unique and you don't want to use your print on demand mockups that a lot of people will be using, you can create your own video mockups. So I order a sample of the mug. In fact, I placed 3 orders. 2 mugs were blank and then one has a design so that I can see how the design will print out. And I used Printful, but they didn't send the other 2 mugs that were blank. They say they don't sell blank mug, so they sent the one that has the design on it. So if you want to make a video mock-up without the mug that will have the design, that's what we are going to work on today. But this is 15 ounces and the design is going to be for 15 ounces mug, but you can work on 11 ounces as well. We want to create a video mock-up that you will put the design on a blank mug on your design software and then insert that in the video. So it's now at this point, I won't say that it will save you time, but what I will say for sure is going to make your video unique, because you are not buying the video mock-up to use. You are using your own, using things around the house that you have. So the reason why I put this mug here is for us to see that how tall it is. So it's the same size, the same height as a quart. Is it a quart? No, it has a terminology for it, but it's 2 cups jar. You have 1 cup here and 2 cups here, so it's 2 cup jar, ball jar. So if you have something to visualize and see how tall a 15 ounces mug will be, that'll be great. So that's why I have those here to just see how it's going to look. So the same thing, the first thing you'll do is to have a surface you want to use as if you have the mug on that surface. Here we are using a counter here, so you want to place the video at the level, like if you are looking at the mug, if that's the look you want to give to the video, to the mug. So we are going to position the camera in a way that is going to, we are going to have the surface, but it's going to look like we are looking at the, the cup. So you can use the cup or you can use the mug if you have. We are going to assume you don't have the mug, but you have something that you can use to help you to position your camera like if you are staring at the mug. And I will want to use an area that we are going to walk straight ahead instead of being in an angle. So I'm going to move to this space here, and we are at this point we are trying to see how far we need to be from the surface for the whole mug to show. So we are not going to zoom or anything, and we can see how tall the mug is going to be in it. So the second, so that's that. Position the camera. We are using a camera, not a cell phone. Position the camera in a way that we can get ready to record. And I'm still trying to locate an area, and I believe I have a light that see if that will help. I think it's better. I'm working near a window, but I turn the light on in the room as well. So now that we have our camera position, we want to have the space for the mug. Since the mug is not going to be in the video, we want to have a surface for it. The third thing we are going to do is we are going to place something in the video, but now all of those three elements that I have there, and I'm going to place whatever I have again to see when I'm inserting the video, inserting the mug in the video later, how it's going to look if I have something behind it. But for simplicity, I'm not going to have anything behind the area I'm going to have the mug. So the way I'm going to do it, you can make multiple shots, and the shots are going to be about 15 seconds. So the element, I would suggest we put the elements a little bit toward the edge, leaving a wide range for us to work with. So later, when you put your mug design in the video, you can position it any way you want to position it, but you want to make sure you have enough space between your element that are in the video and the mug. So having this here, and I will say now we have enough space to make our video. So what I will suggest is we are not going to move the camera, because you are trying to make a video mock-up. You can move the camera slightly, very slowly, left and right. But the issue with to just show that it's not a picture, it's a video. But the issue with that is when you insert the image mock-up of your mug and your design on it in the video later, when the video moves from left to right, the mug is going to move as well. So if you do it very slowly, it may not be noticeable. But what I will suggest we do is, one of the two things we have there, we might need to move one and put it back so that we can show a movement in the video without moving the surface the mug is going to be on, and without moving the camera. So that's how we are going to do it now. So I'm going to move the water and I will put it back. And I'm not sure if my hand show up in it or not. I will assume so. And after 15 seconds, we can just pause it.